The Argentavis, a prehistoric giant bird, existed during the late Miocene to early Pliocene epochs, approximately 6 to 8 million years ago. Belonging to the family Pteratornithidae, these massive avians were among the largest flying birds ever, with an estimated wingspan of up to 7 meters, 23 feet, or more. Fossils of Argentavis have been primarily found in South America, particularly in Argentina. One of the most remarkable features of the Argentavis is its impressive wingspan, rivaling that of small airplanes. This adaptation allowed it to soar over vast distances, utilizing thermal updrafts to cover large areas in search of prey. The bird's skeletal structure, characterized by hollow bones and a reduced keel, contributed to its ability to achieve flight despite its enormous size. Argentavis likely had a scavenging lifestyle, preying on the remains of large herbivorous mammals that roamed the ancient South American landscape. Its beak and talons suggest adaptations for gripping and tearing flesh, similar to modern vultures. The giant bird's size and scavenging habits may have contributed to its success in the ecosystem, as it could efficiently exploit carrion resources. The evolutionary significance of Argentavis lies in its adaptation to a changing environment. During the late Miocene, South America experienced significant geological and climatic transformations, influencing the flora and fauna. The emergence of large mammals provided a substantial food source for scavengers like Argentavis. Understanding the ecological dynamics of this ancient avian species contributes to our comprehension of the intricate web of interactions between organisms in prehistoric ecosystems. The discovery of Argentavis fossils also sheds light on the evolution of flight in birds. Despite its massive size, the bird's skeletal structure and wing morphology suggest advanced adaptations for powered flight. Studying these adaptations aids scientists in unraveling the complex evolutionary pathways that led to the development of flight in birds. In conclusion, Argentavis stands as an awe-inspiring example of prehistoric avian evolution. Its colossal size, impressive wingspan, and scavenging lifestyle offer valuable insights into the ecological dynamics of ancient South American ecosystems. By examining the fossils of this giant bird, scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of avian evolution and the adaptations that allowed certain species to thrive in dynamic and changing environments.